The Apple Watch SE has been out for almost a year. I have managed to pick up this specific watch for £289 in the UK. You can probably find it for even less, and so at this price, does that make the SE Apple's best value Apple Watch, or is it missing too many key features? Let's find out. So to start, let's talk about what the Apple Watch SE is all about. Released in September 2022, the SE model is positioned as a more affordable alternative to the flagship Apple Watch series. It comes in two sizes, 40mm and 44mm, and offers the wide range of health and fitness features that you'd expect from an Apple Watch. From heart rate monitoring and irregular rhythm notifications to sleep tracking and activity rings, the SE packs quite a lot of features into this extremely affordable option. Next up, let's discuss the design and build quality. The Apple Watch SE shares a striking resemblance to the premium Apple Watch, boasting a sleek and modern design. The display is bright and vibrant, making it easy to read notifications and messages, and the aluminium case gives it a lightweight feel, which is great for all-day wear. While it may lack some high-end materials like ceramic or titanium, the overall build quality remains top-notch to the point where you completely forget you are wearing it. In terms of performance, it houses the same S8 chip found in the Apple Watch Series 8 and the Apple Watch Ultra. This means you can expect smooth navigation and speedy app launches. Although it costs far less than the Ultra, it's still just as capable when it comes to handling daily tasks, notifications and fitness tracking. One of the main reasons people gravitate towards the Apple Watch is its health and fitness capabilities. The SE doesn't disappoint in this department, and it offers an array of health related features like fall detection, which can be a lifesaver for some users. Plus, it's swim proof and equipped with an optical heart rate sensor to monitor your heart health continuously. However, keep in mind that it lacks some advanced health features found in the higher end models like the ECG app or blood oxygen monitoring. These kind of features can be very important for some users, and I think it's incredible that Apple are managing to pack these kind of features into a watch you can wear on your wrist. However, for me personally, I try these features out once or twice when I get the new watch, and then I don't really ever use them again. And so if you know that you do the same sort of thing, then the SE might be more than enough. The only thing this watch doesn't include that I miss is the always on display, but again, if this doesn't bother you, the SE would be the perfect option. The Apple Watch SE's battery life is another impressive feature considering its size and capabilities. With moderate use, you can expect about 1.5 to 2 days of usage before needing to recharge. However, intense workouts and extensive app usage might reduce this slightly. Overall, the battery life is decent and should keep you going throughout the day. But those of you who charge the watch every night the way I do will have zero issues. So, let's address the ultimate question. Is the Apple Watch SE still worth it in 2023? The answer depends on what you're looking for in a smartwatch. If you're seeking a reliable and feature-rich wearable without splurging out on the high-end models, then the SE is a fantastic option. Its performance, design and health features make it a compelling choice for many users. For me, the Apple Watch has always been one of my favourite products to come out of Apple, and the fact that you can get the majority of the features in a package that starts at just £259, I think is very impressive. So, to wrap things up, after almost a year, the Apple Watch SE remains a great contender in the wearable market. It strikes a perfect balance between functionality and price, making it an attractive choice for both newcomers to the Apple ecosystem and those looking to upgrade from older models. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and think about subscribing to the channel to see lots more content. Don't forget to let me know what you think about this watch in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.